and then you know, so the card cleaning business would have come out, and eventually Akeem would have get involved. Eventually, Javi would have get involved, and you know, want it to reach this, so and that's why Javi come and end the live and squash it. Little bit after Akeem come live and dog pan, you can't stop with a.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If many upon the beat and it can't see, pan on the screen. Internet sensation Ivany confirms that the Fantastic Four is out there doing card cleaning. People putting out the comment section what you think about that, because with done they get the tea already from Akeem and Figure It Out Brethren. If you remember the download series of Dancehall, you can press pause and read these screenshots for yourself. It said that Akeem them boyfriend them in a scamming Nicholas Snow and Figure It Out boyfriend Jessica. Putting out the comment section where you think about that, because it's going to get nasty out here, you know. And right now, internet sensation Ivany is basically saying Dyema's in the wrong. Yeah, and Rosealee is right. Yes, right. As you know, the two have been embroiled in a bunch of bagger. But Dyema, as I
have to go reason about this after that match I done. Me not like Rose, but Rose not do nothing in my eyes. Honestly, a Dyema dirty Jezebel. Look how long time, big man. She need to pipe down. That's that type of shit, you know. Guys, 18 Rose.
Never give them no cake and none of them things there.
Don't Vanny say that, chat. Don't Vanny say that. Me think I would have more likely why and a Rosealee sell her out.
So, well, let me take off the match. I got my finger now. Go click it to blood clot, you know. In the finger now, touch the button. So, all right, listen this now. So, I'm gonna bubble it down for you to understand from the scratch. What's going on, people? You don't know it's your girl, Ivany, the reporter, live and direct on the TikTok app. This is your CEO, and we're here with King Donya HR. He was on vacation, he's back. Now it's time for me to report of what took place when he was gone. If you guys are here that speak English and don't understand Patois, it's okay, because I have to express my feelings in my language. We'll have a translator. So now, let me tell you what's going on. Boop. We all know, say, Dyema is a friend. We go all out for Rosealee. Rosealee go all out for Dyema too, right? There's never once a time me ever see Rosealee show Dyema say she's no form of a bad friend to her. Likewise, Dyema never show Rosealee say she's a bad friend. At the internet always I want Dyema, and I said Dyema like people like me, people like you, because I've won Dyema myself. We want Dyema because we know how mixed up Rosealee is and she can't tame, but at the same time, she has never dissed Dyema publicly and Dyema never dissed her publicly. Now, I believe that Dyema and Rosealee sit down and chat everybody on TikTok. They do that in real life, right? All of a sudden now, we realize that Dyema energy drained because people constantly looking her back and say she need for low Rosealee, because she never did a low Rosealee, them start. When the internet can't get what them want, eventually them are going to start come down upon you. So like if them a tell you say, load the company, and you now load the company, they start class and they start this year. The Dyema, what me know, everybody love Dyema. Man rate Dyema, female love Dyema. Me never yet see a person have a problem with Dyema. Boop! Our energy start get drained, so it look like she don't really want to have nothing to do with Rosealee again, because our energy are drained out from being around Rosealee. Remember when the Christmas thing did go on, when Dyema did get her present them, bad minds stuck on Rosealee face, she didn't like that, the good things them when Dyema get. When Rosealee did get fear gift them, Dyema was being a fake friend to give Rosealee some type of look, and the look Rosealee give Dyema bad mind look for the nice gift them, and Dyema give Rosealee bad look like Rosealee a idiot because look how hard she go for Akeem, and Akeem give her full gift. So the two of them did a play some look of mind game. Now, why Mr. Dyema is a garbage and she's not a good friend to Rosealee and she's wrong on all levels. It come down now. Sun Gleaner, she come out now. Sun Gleaner say that Rosealee chat, she and Rosealee chat Dyema.
Whoa. When I say Sun Gleaner, who you refer to?
The girl, man, will come out, come said, Dyema and Rosealee, one girl, one lady come out and say, Rosealee and her sit down and chat Dyema.
Sunshine!
Yes, Sunshine come out and say, she and Rosealee chat Dyema. Now, the woman come out and this was exactly the woman's words. The woman never said no. What we could have said bombard. Everything what the woman said up on social media. The woman come out and say, Dyema, may I tell you what Rosealee say about you? Rosealee say you bad mind her. Every day the people them say them bad mind each other. It up on TikTok. Dyema, Rosealee say you grudge her for your money and true for your series that keep more with Akeem and nothing now go on for you and figure it out. And that's why you bad mind her, you don't like her, you's a two-face and she see through you, da. All of these little petty things that Sunshine I say, it up on TikTok. She never come out, come say no, if you can't touch if you say bombard Rosealee. You understand what I say if you say like Rosealee really.
Wait. So if she come out, why she would have come out and say all of these things?
Listen, you know, get what me I say.
But why she come out come me ask her that?
Why she come out? Because she and Rosealee have a problem. I mean, I go tell her like, you see, from female to female, when you're a female have something, and they realize say you have a man on the internet or a friend, then try to mash up everything. Just like Mackerel and K did at it, and Mackerel try to involve Triple, Mackerel try to involve
That's a dead story in a one, Vani.
I'm giving you an example about females. When a female and a female in a one problem, you don't have to do much for a female. Make everybody else get involved. The internet been want Dyema and Rosealee to mash up. I don't know what caused the argument, but all I'm saying, whatever caused the argument, it never have nothing for she bringing Dyema in night. And she and Rosealee at it. You know what I say? And she and Rosealee at it. And she tend to bring it. As a female stay, yeah, somebody night, them I can tell you, say, oh, I remember say they chat she with me. As some people stay, females but not all stay. Them bring in this way, they tell them long time. So the things that was...
How Dyema ever say, where girl I say are true? How Dyema...
That's why I say you have to listen. That's why I say I like to be interrupting because I don't reach this so yet.
Alright.
No voice note, no drop. No voice note, no drop. So back to what I say now. So now, the things them where Sunshine I say, Rosealee chat about Dyema, are something what people say every day. Even Dyema herself come on the internet one time and say, when me a bad man Rosealee, for every day you get up and me name a talk about Rosealee, me have me name before Rosealee, me have me car before Rosealee, me have me house, when me a bad man Rose for. There's been multiple times when Rosealee come live to and say, Dyema I need for bad mind me because Dyema have this and Dyema have that, da. It done. Now, after that done and gone, then start cause Rosealee go live. This is why I said Dyema wrong. Rosealee go live and Rosealee was never being disrespect. There's a voice note drop. All if a voice note drop, you can't want blame Rosealee for say what she said to Sunshine because the same way you and Rosealee sit down and chat people, I see him where Sunshine and Rosealee chat you. You can't sit down with Rosealee and want chat the whole TikTok, but when Rosealee do it back to you, it's a problem. You see, anything you do to somebody, always open up your mind, say it can happen to you too. When you throw a stone, you throw it for you. So you can't, Dyema have one man where she know, you know, right? Dyema go tell Rosealee something about the man, and Rosealee care back Dyema name to the man. Dyema said the man come to her and tell her everything where Rosealee say. You know what Dyema say? Dyema say, what a lucky thing my back did broad for tell the man say, yes, I that me say, me that look like an idiot. Why you feel a way say Rosealee care back your name? You don't think a certain man feel when Rosealee tell him what you say? You can't sit down and chat people and when people are chat you, it's a problem. It done and gone, that's alright. But the whole problem is, all of them wrong for your chat one another. Speaking from somebody that's mature, and if you don't say a friend, is say to one to chat one another and it bust out on the internet. The fact that Rosealee could have be a bigger person and come on the internet and say, Dyema, me not go give where you want, and me not go argue with you. You have my number, you could have called me. Anything where you hear, you could have called me and we talk about it. You don't call me and me not call you back neither. Rosalie never want in a no form of argument with Dyema. Rosalie actually didn't want peace. She never want it go far on the internet. When me look on it now, if I say Dyema is a bad friend, Dyema depend fear live, and Dyema friend or sister, one next girl did actually depend the phone and I listen to everything where Rosalie has said on her life. So Anna like said that I hear says somebody tell Dyema say, boy, Rosalie over there cuss you. She actually I hear everything where Rosalie has said. And Rosalie has said, done. You're a big woman. Tap make people tell you things. Call me if you want to talk, whatever. Dyema over fear live I talk about. Go suck out your mama, girl. Your sister for real. I had drain me energy. Go suck out your mama. And she just said this Rosalie and this Rosalie. So when you do them something then now, as a person we are looking to it, we can reason with. Me, I go feel like a long time you want cuss Rosalie, a long time you want left run her, but them just not give you a real reason to. One of the time she also done part, me I go leak some voice note, me I go drop some tea, and me I go for me receipt. About 1 hour Dyema depend the live, I said she a go drop our receipt and she go drop voice note. You know why Dyema couldn't drop the voice note? Because Rosalie haven't give Dyema a reason to drop the voice note. When Dyema listen Rosalie live, the only thing Rosalie said, Dyema call me if you want to. Me ain't have nothing, me not go give you what you want. Dyema keep on tell Rosalie if you suck her mother because Dyema want Rosalie if you react in a one way. If she can use that to say yes. And this is why me I drop the blood clot voice note because you pass yourself. Rosalie never give her the light what she want. So she couldn't drop it because she know if she didn't drop it, the people them are going under her skin and say, yeah, it's a bad friend and you did well want this happen. When she listen Rosalie on her life, Rosalie said, done. She pause and she look ear to the friend now. So me not for cuss her, and the friend said no, and she said, alright, me low it. And she done this so. So that's why me I said, Dyema, even if you feel like you didn't want left Rosalie friendship, just call her and tell her, say, boy, Rose, it done. Me just not want a friend for you. You chat me and me feel like you drain me energy, done. But in that moment, the way how you anger Rosalie, you should anger Rosalie like that. And the whole lot have secret. You see, just like how you have secret for Rosalie, Rosalie have secret for you too. And you know that, you know, say, if Rosalie did give you the reason for drop your receipt, Rosalie would have go for fear receipt. And then you know, say, the card cleaning business would have come out. And eventually, Akeem would have get involved. Eventually, Javi would have get involved. And you know, want it to reach this, so and that's why Javi come and end the live and squash it. Little bit after Akeem come live and dunk pan, you can't stop with a 1-4 fantastic. The females them don't want to be together, but the brothers them have to try to make it work because them know say once the female them spread apart, certain things are going to leak when they can't bother to leak, and that's why I feel like Akeem talk to Rose and tell Rose, say, babes, just build and I make it good so. And that's why Rosalie never act out or Dyema did want her for action. Never give Dyema the reason for act. Dyema also knows said Javi did it in the house. So if she just drop voice note, should have look fuck up. She never have a reason for put out no farmer receipt. And that's why I feel like Akeem tell Rose for bill, and that's why Rose bill. Rose never give Dyema what she want. Dyema never have the need to put out nothing because she don't get what she want. And it's still bubble down to Dyema. You do too much. You did do way too much. Me not fan of Rosalie. Me not fan of you, but you do too much. And if anybody forget the wrong that day there, you would get the wrong. I want to say something again before I make it talk. Dyema a fool too. Because guess what? There's no way a girl will sit down with my friend, chat me, can come back and tell me say my friend did that chat me. Me I go ask Sunshine, say, imagine if you and Rosalie never fall out. I wouldn't know up till this day say two to chat me. If you and Rosalie never fall out and the two are they still friend and you would have still be Rosalie moderator, would you still come and tell me say Rosalie chat me? No, you wouldn't tell me that. You would have laugh up in my face, you'd have dip on my live and watch me same way, and you'd have keep it as a secret. So you know what? Go suck your mother, me no want hear. Dyema should have run with Sunshine and tell Sunshine to go away because when she and Rosalie is still gonna chat me, she never did it and she never come pinch her and tell her, say, boy, I don't care if Rose want vex, Rose did that chat you. Why when I hear Rosalie fall out now, you want to come tell me as a big woman, go ring out your mother. Another thing, don't you remember when time Rosalie did bust her mother head and the mother they got on Rosalie the gas station? You remember why the people them did a cuss Dyema? Dyema run go down a station to see if she could have bail out Rose. You know what Dyema click her live and said? Me I go always dead for my friend. Me not tell my friend on the internet say she wrong. So uno can laugh off of me. Me I go tell her on the internet and have her back say she right. But when time me come off her live, me I go tell her say me wrong. So Dyema, when Sunshine did come live couple days ago and tell us Rosealee did a chat you, why you never defend Rosealee on the public and run with Sunshine, and then when you come off her live, you go call Rosealee and say Rosealee, you're wrong for blood clot chat me with the girl. A long time you want left Rose company, but you just don't know how for you for do it. So you take advantage of what Sunshine say for class Rose, and you think so Rose did go answer you. Because remember Rose can't tame. So you think Rose did go answer you.
Lock off the comments.
You think Rose can't tame, so she should answer you. And that's my point of view. Right? Am I wrong? And Rosealee never deserved what she deserved at that moment. And that's just my opinion. So I don't know what you have to say.
No, but you see, one thing with you, anytime you always talk, who want to say facts from who want to say wrong, that are for them business. Because you say some key fucking point. Can't remember what day for true when
I'm beautiful, blow my nose.
I say, my ride with him friend till Ray, and he will call her on her phone. Me feel so she go hard for Rose for choose.
You see, if Dyema did come live and say, Rosealee, take it all you want, take it. Me no care. Me your friendship no mash up or nothing. Me love you same way and me go still there for bail you out. But are your mother that dog? You're wrong. You see, if she could have stand up firm and tell Rosealee that time there, say you're wrong for lick your mother in your head. You see, this was Sunshine come with today. What day you answer Rosealee a chatter, she would have handled that situation better than how she handled it, because she assumed so she could have stand up again and say, boy, Rosealee, you're my friend same way, and you're wrong for chat me with Sunshine, but guess what? Me not gonna make that bad. Me I gonna talk about that off the ear, because people are trying to mash you up and me not gonna make cause of this. Just hear I go on. Me not have nothing to say about it. When you come out for your life, me talk about it. If she did angle the mother situation from them the time, then we could have say she a one real friend. But you pick up for Rosealee on the internet and you say you tell her say she wrong after. Why you could pick up for Rosealee now when a girl tell you something about your friend? You should have pick up for Rosealee and say, I want Rosealee, me no want hear nothing from Sunshine. Because when time you and her did that chat, me never did it. And when you no end the life now, you said John was Star Rose. Me can't believe you chat me. Should I do that?
Me just pick out the key point then when you talk. Me not too follow up everything when you say. But you see part with the backing, with the hospital and Rere and the backing, that the one there. And another one now.
No, them say she tell her say she wrong.
What?
They tell
Let me talk.
What am I?
Why they want to stop Dyema for attack? And why they want to stop Rose for attack? No want to two woman them talk.
I can't tell you why, you don't understand. Let me tell you why. It's when two female mouth lick, as when me tell you say everything I go get involved. Remember when you asked me say whether I have to do it or Dyema, when me that explain, remember when you say Dyema get involved, and me tell you say once female to a female, everybody get involved, it still bubble down to your question now. If Dyema did figure drop any form of vice note, if Dyema did figure talk anything and go show no vice note, remember say she anything when she show, Rosealee would have to come out back with something. Rosealee go come up back with something, Dyema go come up back with something, Akeem go get involved. Javi already get involved, it make it life end. Rosealee talk upon her life say, you see all Javi him we are rub you down. Him tell me say you're wicked. And that Rosealee say. So Dyema hear that and ask Javi say, so Rosealee I say, you tell her say me are wicked and you over here rub me down. You see when him hear that, him jump up in the screen and say, Rosealee, at that, Rosealee talk, you can't tell me no, I'm on the two live there. Rosealee say, the boy said Dyema wicked. When he did that rub down Dyema with Dyema ball, and Dyema turned to him and say, Rosealee sister. You see when he sister, Javi come in at the screen and Javi say, Rosealee, I've never disrespect you before. Something another like that, stop tell lie for me. Something another like that, stop tell lie for me. Me never disrespect you before. BMs me, I got any live, any blood clot live. Any live. And that the time them jump in any live. Me dep on the two live them and watch it. Any live. Me tell you something, you see? I talk already, you know, I talk again. The only thing with them, I'm gonna tell you something, for them story not serious. The only thing them can come, only thing can bust out. I'm tell you something, only thing can bust out in a life but the Fantastic Four is if them really are the card cleaning for true. If Akeem ever say anything bad about Rosalie, or if Dyema and Javi and Akeem sit down and chat Rosalie, or if Rosalie chat Dyema and chat Javi, that's only thing can come out where I go flourish the internet. They don't have no big secret like, and I can tell you something. I can tell you say Akeem and Javi don't even tell Dyema them say, yeah, them not tell them. You think man them a idiot. The man not trust them for tell them that them the two them the something there. Them hear people talk and they no care because they don't have no valid proof. So the man now they not tell them that. And yes, if I not that them have a proof of this for them look a secret and voice note to everybody I say I have a petty something with them there. The only thing can come talking a voice note is cleaning card, who chat, who thief, who for money. That's it. I don't know how major we are going to wow with off our feet. Because them the two girls don't have no form of proof and nothing. I only them the something they are going to wow with off our feet. And that's something we know already. We know say them a clean card. We know them chat one another. That's it. They don't have the real blood clot tea. Them not have that for spill. They don't have it. The real tea.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. People, don't forget to go up on my Dancehall story channel if you don't want to, watch Mix Up. You feel me? As you know, Vibes Cartel is being sued by the Trinidad promoter, and he made a Instagram statement saying he's not commenting on the matters now that is before the courts, but his position stays the same. You know what I mean? These guys breached the contract by not paying the full amount. And it is what it is. No matter if you're not paying him over $1 million US. You see me? You know what I mean? But anyway, people, we're not going to long with this no longer, Bless.